In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get year view in Google Calendar. This is a quick way to see all 12 months at once, which is perfect for big picture planning, spotting holidays and busy seasons, and coordinating long-term projects. Start by opening your favorite web browser and going to calendar.google.com. If you're prompted to sign in, just use your Google account and you'll land on your main calendar. You'll likely see your schedule in day, week, or month view by default with your events color-coded based on the calendars you've enabled. Now shift your attention to the top right corner of the page. This is where Google Calendar lets you switch how your schedule is displayed. You should see a control that either shows the current view, like day, week, or month, or a button labeled view with a small arrow next to it. That arrow means there's a menu you can open to change how the calendar looks. Click that drop-down to reveal your view options. If your window is very narrow, the label might be abbreviated or tucked behind an icon, but it's still in that top right area. From the list that appears, choose year. As soon as you select it, the interface updates to a compact full year overview. Each month appears as a small grid, giving you the entire year at a glance. You'll notice that event indicators appear as subtle marks or color highlights matching the calendars you've turned on in the sidebar. This makes it easy to identify busy months without getting bogged down in individual event details. Year view is especially helpful for planning vacations, tracking school terms, mapping out quarters, and identifying patterns over time. It's designed for scanning and comparing rather than editing lots of events. If you hover your cursor over a date, you may see a bit more context depending on your settings. And if you decide to dive into a specific day from here, selecting a date will take you into a more detailed view so you can work with individual events. If you don't immediately see the view menu in the top right, make sure the browser window isn't too small, since the layout can shift on narrower screens. Also note that this walkthrough covers the web version of Google Calendar. The mobile app organizes views a bit differently, that's all there is to it. Go to Calendar, go googledoc.com, open the view menu at the top right, and pick year. With that, you've unlocked a powerful way to plan your year at a glance. Thanks for watching and happy planning!